Today, I'll show you how to upload a video from CapCut to Facebook on your PC. First, open your project in CapCut and make sure your edits are complete. When you're ready, go to the top right corner and click the Export button. Choose your desired video quality settings, then click Export again. Once your video have been exported, it will be automatically saved to your computer. Next, open Facebook in your web browser and log in if you haven't already. On your Facebook homepage, go to the Create Post section at the top. Click on Photo or Video and navigate to the folder where you saved your CapCut export. Now, you can add a caption, hashtags, and choose who can view your post by clicking the privacy settings. Once you're ready, click Post to upload the video. Facebook will take a moment to process the video, but once done, it will be available for everyone to see. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a video from CapCut to Facebook.